Have you ever had a business idea, gotten incredibly excited about it, and then a few days later started thinking about something completely different? Maybe you've started a business before, only to lose interest and move on to something else. Or maybe you spend more time thinking about what you could build than actually building anything. If that sounds like you, I want you to hear this. You might not be lazy. You might just be multi-passionate. We're constantly told that successful entrepreneurs pick one thing, one niche, one audience, one offer, and they stick with it. But what if you genuinely have a lot of interests? What if you're good at a lot of things? What if you can see yourself building 5 completely different businesses? You don't have a lack of ideas. You have too many. And honestly, that can be exhausting. Because instead of feeling excited about all of your possibilities, you start feeling overwhelmed by them. You might think, should I start a coaching business? Should I sell digital products? Should I create a membership? Should I start making content? And before you know it, you've researched 10 different business models and haven't actually moved forward with any of them. Then you start questioning yourself. Why can't I stick with anything? Why do I always start over? Maybe I'm not disciplined. Maybe I'm just not cut out for entrepreneurship. But I don't think being multi-passionate is the problem. I think the problem is trying to make a permanent decision when you only need to decide what makes sense for you right now. You don't need to know what business you're gonna run 5 years from now. You don't even need to know if this is gonna be your forever business. You need to figure out what direction makes sense for your next season. Because you can have 10 interests and still build one business. You can have a million ideas and choose one to explore for the next 90 days. You're not giving up your other ideas. You're just putting them on the shelf. Instead of saying, I have to choose one thing forever, try saying, I'm gonna choose one thing for this season. But there's another side to this that I think is really important. Sometimes we don't actually need a new idea. We just don't want to do the hard part of the current one. Starting something new is exciting. Researching is exciting. Creating the website is exciting. But eventually, you have to sell. You have to put yourself out there. You have to hear no. You have to keep going when it isn't fun anymore. So the next time you feel like abandoning an idea, ask yourself, do I actually not want this anymore? Or has this just gotten uncomfortable? Those are 2 very different things. And if you genuinely don't want to build it anymore, that's okay. You're allowed to change directions. But if you still believe in the idea and you're just frustrated or scared, maybe you don't need another idea. Maybe you need support. And that's actually a huge part of why I'm creating The Cove. The Cove is a membership community for multi-passionate women who want clarity, direction, and support to figure out what they actually want to build and turn that idea into a business they love. It's for the woman who knows she has so much potential but feels overwhelmed by all of the possibilities. The woman with a million ideas. The woman who's started things before. And the woman who's tired of trying to figure everything out alone. So if that's you, stop trying to become less multi-passionate. You don't need to find your one true passion. You don't need to have your entire business figured out. You just need to figure out your next step. Ask yourself, what am I genuinely interested in right now? What am I naturally good at? What problems do I enjoy solving? And what kind of business would actually fit the life I want? Then choose one direction and give yourself 90 days to explore it. Because clarity doesn't usually come from thinking about your options forever. It comes from taking action. And if you want support figuring out what that next direction is, you can join the waitlist for my community for women called The Cove using the link in the description below. You'll be the first to know when we open the doors. And remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to be willing to start figuring it out.